Hey buddies! A long time is gone since my last RC unboxing, and today I got another type of RC car for you. It's a rally car! It's the A949 Vortex from Wltoys, distributed by BangGood. It reminds me big time on the amazing Ford Fiesta from the incredible camp block. So let's unbox it. Wow, looks pretty fast. And it actually is. With an awesome high speed of 50 km per hour, it's the fastest RC car in my collection. And with a scale of 1/18, it perfectly fits to it. It also gets 4-wheel drive and 2 differentials. And the Vortex is also waterproofed. So, don't miss the next movie with the Vortex in action in outdoor race battle. Goodbye and see you soon. I said goodbye. Go. Turn off. Turn off. Go.